you know, Andres, I'm really very, very proud of you. Actually, both of the kids. Because kasi, you know, if you're a newcomer, minsan, lalo na these children are so good looking, there's some actors na parang they're so conscious about, papangit ba ako dito or whatever. Sila, they just jump into the scene kahit awkward yung magiging tsura nila or something. Malalakas ang loob. And even I can see that during the first taping, most especially, medyo si Andres, you know, he was because of the lines, he can actually do it kasi Tagalog. But what I like about him is matapang siyang bata. And he's willing to learn. And I think that's the most important ano, thing for him. Kasi, you know, para sa isang artista, naisipin, anak ako na artista. You know, anak ako na sikat na artista. So, lahat kayo makibagay sa akin and all. Walang ganon. And I think this is something that Aga and Charlene should know, that they raised very, very good kids.
Yes.
Very, very good kids na walang yabang at saka, you know, nasa title role na sila kaagad but you can never feel na parang nagpapaka-importante. They're very nice with the staff. Hindi spoiled na mga bata, pero yun nga, Andres, you're doing very well. Siguro ngayon mako-conscious ka kasi kinukwento itong mga ano mo, but it's something that's very natural and I appreciate it well that, you know, you're always there to you're trying to learn, and I'm very, very proud of you.